Hi everyone, here's step-by-step guide how to make hole in your object in Blender. So first of all, let me add cube, for example, scale it and maybe scale like this. After that, add a cylinder and rotate it 90 degrees and do like this. After that, and for example, I wanna do hole in my cube, tap on my cube, and after that, tap on modifier button at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on add modifier and search Boolean. Tap on that, and once it's successfully added, you can tap on this icon and find cylinder. After that, tap on this arrow and apply. Now you can change position of your cylinder, and as you can see, I have hole in my cube. That's it, I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, see you next time.